Today, you will learn how to apply gradient fill in Word document step by step. First, select the text. Go to the Home tab. In the Font group, click the small arrow next to Font Color. From the menu, move your mouse over Gradient, then click More Gradients. This will open the Format Text Effects panel on the right side of the screen. In the panel, make sure Gradient Fill is selected. You'll now see the Gradient Stops bar. These small sliders control the colors in your gradient. Click any slider, then choose a color from the color option below. You can change each slider to create your own unique color combination. You can add or remove gradient stops to include more or fewer colors. Click the Add Gradient Stop button to add another slider to the bar, or select a slider to delete and click the Remove Gradient Stop button. If you want to make the text more transparent, move the Transparency slider to the right. You can also adjust the Brightness slider to make the colors lighter or darker until you're happy with the result. If you'd like to add a gradient outline around your text, click Text Outline in the same panel and choose Gradient Line. Then customize the outline colors just like you did for the text fill. You can also increase the width to make the outline more visible, or choose different compound type and dash type options for a different style. Once you're finished, simply close the Format Text Effects panel. That's it! If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel.